Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to connect Digit with your payroll account. Connecting Digit with your payroll account helps to automate savings by synchronizing your income directly. First, log into your Digit app or web dashboard, and once you're logged in, go to the settings or account section. There you're going to look for the option to link payroll or income sources. You may be prompted to select your employer or payroll provider for a list or manually enter payroll detail. Once linked, Digit can track your paycheck deposits and adjust savings transfers accordingly, making sure that your savings align with your actual income. This feature is especially useful if your income varies or if you have bonuses. Always ensure that your payroll information is accurate and secure. This connection helps Digit to optimize your savings without manual inputs. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another update in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.